Hello, everyone, and are you looking for a seamless way to manage appointments, meetings, or services directly through Outlook? You are in the right place because in today's tutorial, we are diving into Microsoft Bookings, a fantastic tool that integrates with Outlook to streamline scheduling for businesses, teams, or individuals. And by the end of this guide, you will know how to set up Microsoft Bookings, customize your booking page, sync it with your calendar, share it with clients or the team members. So let's get started and take the hassle out of scheduling. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is the Microsoft. So visit the page or the website. So you need to search for Microsoft Bookings. So to start using Microsoft Bookings, you need to follow the steps. So of course, you need to see here. It is the main dashboard, and you'll be able to see here different features of this website. And of course, the icon. So here is the account, your information, the services, subscription, devices, security, privacy, order history, payment options, and then of course your address book. So to start using Microsoft Bookings, of course open Outlook. So here, go to the app launcher, the grid icon in the top left corner. So here, you'll be able to see here different types, guys. So here is first one is the Microsoft 365 and the Outlook, the OneDrive, the Teams, the Word, the Excel, the PowerPoint, OneNote, to do's, and then the finally saves me here. So you can see here, guys, you will be directed on this page, which is the Outlook. So if you don't see it, you can also check if your Microsoft 365 plan includes bookings or contact your administrator to enable it. And once you're in the Microsoft Bookings, the first step is to create a booking calendar. So here, you can click Get Started and enter your business order or your team name. You can also choose a business type, education, and then select your time zone to ensure accurate scheduling. Okay, guys, this calendar is where you will manage appointments, staff availability, and customer interaction. So to personalize your booking page, go to the booking page in the left hand menu. So here, let's go on this side, guys. So you'll be able to see here different types of email. So here, this is the mail option and then the calendar option here. So what you need to do here is you'll be able to see this one, the calendar. And to book an event, guys, you need to see here new event. So or you can also add a calendar here. And here you'll be able to see here new events. So here you can create your event here. So the first thing you need to see here is this one, the response option. So here you can see request responses or allow forwarding. You can also customize here if this is your free time, working elsewhere, tentative, or busy time. And here, if you want to be reminded by this meeting, so either 15 minutes before or 30 minutes before, depending on you guys. So in this tutorial, we are going to choose this 30 minutes before. And in here, you can also categorize this one, guys, by color, or you can also add a new category, guys. So here, for example, that one is orange category. And of course, the color of the button will be turned into orange too. And here, you can also see here the templates, guys. But as of now, we don't have any templates. So let's move forward. So here, you can add a title here about the meeting. So add a title about your meeting or your event. So for example, that one is this consultation. And what I need to do here is, here as you can see here. And right after that one, you just need to add them depending on you guys if you want to have a Skype meeting or not. And of course, the next part is you can invite attendees, guys. Just need to type here the Microsoft account and then here select the date of your meeting, of course. So you can also set the time, guys. So depending on you, for example, that one is this meeting will start at night time, 9:30 p.m. and end in 11 p.m. of course. And you can also see here if you want to have an all-day meeting. You can see here the time zone, guys. You can also change the time zone here, and of course, um, configure your availability, guys. Of course, including business hours and then the time zone settings. So you can also enable email notifications, guys, to get alerts when a booking is mode or modified. So tip, guys, use professional images and concise description to make your page appealing and easy to navigate. So here, of course, you need to search for a location on your meeting, guys. So this part, guys, is a description or attached documents. To what I said a while ago, you need to use professional images and concise descriptions to make your booking page appealing and easy to navigate. So here, guys, to ensure smooth scheduling. So just a reminder, guys, that to navigate the staff and add team members who will provide the services, you need to assign their working hours and sync their calendars. So you can go to the services and create individual offerings, including details like service name, duration, and price, if applicable. So you can also set buffer times, guys, between appointments to avoid back-to-back bookings. And once your booking page is ready, you can share this one with your clients or your team members. So tap on that save button and now you're good to go here. So go to the booking page and you can copy the link provided, share the link via email, social media, or embed it on your website. And of course, add a booking link to your Outlook email signature for an easy access. So now your clients can book appointments directly, um, saying and saving for time and effort here. So here, guys, to manage appointments, you can go to the calendar tab in bookings. Here you can view upcoming bookings, reschedule or cancel appointments. So you can also sync appointments with your Outlook calendar for real time updates, guys. So remember, guys, any changes made in Microsoft Bookings are automatically updated in Outlook, so keeping your schedule consistent. And Microsoft Bookings also offers advanced features, guys, so don't worry. And there you have it, guys, a comprehensive guide to using a Microsoft Bookings in Outlook. So with this tool, you can simplify scheduling, boost productivity, and provide seamless experiences for your clients or team. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. So if you got any question, don't be shy to drop them in the comments below because I am sure and ready to help you guys. And of course, don't forget to organize, streamline, succeed, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in my next video and goodbye.